couple years back, Mazda was reportedly working on an awesome new rear-wheel drive performance sedan that would get a huge jump in power and replace the outgoing Mazda 6. That project was purportedly put on ice for North America, with Mazda executives ruling out the proposed car. Now, however, it seems a premium Mazda 6 replacement may be back on again. BestCarWeb has Mazda giving the new sedan the same engine lineup as the CX-90. Buyers would be able to choose, in America at least, between a smooth 3.3-liter inline-six gas engine that puts out 341 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, and a 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid with 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. Either would be a huge bump over the previous Mazda 6's 227 horsepower turbocharged inline-4. A diesel may be available in other markets. BestCarWeb says the new Mazda sedan will have a swooping four-door coupe-style body rather than a traditional three-box sedan look. The report also says Mazda will offer the sedan with options for a front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout or all-wheel drive. Don't expect Mazda to revive the manual transmission, sadly. According to BestCarWeb, the new Mazda sedan will arrive in 2025 at the earliest, and North America would be the target market. Mazda has confirmed plans to debut a new EV in 2025.